Today we will do some practice exercise of exercise 1.6. Here the first question is 7 raised to power 1 by 2 into 8 raised to power 1 by 2. Now the first question is 7 raised to power 1 by 2 into 8 raised to power 1 by 2. Now the base are different but the powers are same. So by the laws of exponent we know that a raised to power m into b raised to power m equals to ab raised to power m. So we apply it here. 7 into 8 raised to power 1 by 2. 7 8s are 56 raised to power 1 by 2. Now the answer number second. Here the second question is evaluate 64 raised to power 1 by 6. 64 raised to power 1 by 6. First we do the prime factorization of 64. We know that it is divisible by 2 and we get 32. Again by 2 we get 16, again by 2 8, again by 2 4, again by 2 2 and 1. 1 2 3 4 5 6 and we can write it as 2 raised to power 6. Now the power is again 1 by 6. Now 6 and 6 are cancel out, which is equals to 2 raised to power 1, which is equals to 2. Now the answer number 3, that is evaluate 2 to 5 raised to power 1 by 2. 225 raised to power 1 by 2 and we again do the prime factorization of 2 to 5. We know that it is not divisible by 2 because the last digit is an odd number. So we try it at 3. 3 7s are 21, 3 5s are 15, again on 3 we get 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15, on 5 we get 5 5 on 1, that is 3 into 5 raised to power 2. 5 3s are 15 raised to power 2. We can write it as 5 raised to power 15 raised to power 2, again raised to power 1 by 2. 2 and 2 are cancel out, which is equals to 15 raised to power 1, which is equals to 15. Now the question number 4 is simplify 11 raised to power 1 by 2 divided by 11 raised to power 1 by 4. Now the answer number 4 is 11 raised to power 1 by 2 and 11 raised to power 1 by 4. Now the bases are same but the powers are different and the numbers are in divisible form. That is, we know that when the base are same in division, then these powers are subtracted, because by law of exponent we know that am divided by b raised to power n, which is equals to a raised to power n, the base are same, and we know that a raised to power m minus n. When these numbers are in multiply, then powers are added, and when these numbers are in divide, then powers are subtracted. So which is equals to 11, and we take the LCM, which is equals to 4. 2 minus 1, which is equals to 11 raised to power 1 by 4. Now the answer number 5. In question 5 we know that 32 raised to power 1 by 5 that we have to solve. 32 is equals to, again we do the prime factorization of 32. On 2 we get 16, on 2 again 8, on 2 4, on 2 2 and 1. 1 2 3 4 5. We know that 2 raised to power 5 equals to 32. Again the power is 1 by 5. 5 and 5 are cancel out, which is equals to 2 raised to power 1, which is equals to 2. This is the practice exercise of exercise 1.6.